Hey, what's up everybody? Dr. Mike here. Are you ready to take control of your diabetes and boost your overall health? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of superfoods, those nutritional powerhouses that can make a real difference in managing diabetes effectively. We're talking about foods that not only taste great, but also work hard to keep your blood sugar levels in check. And trust me, I know how important that is. We're going to break down the top 5 superfoods that should be on your grocery list. We'll explore the science behind their benefits, and I'll even give you some practical tips on how to incorporate them into your daily diet. So whether you're newly diagnosed or you've been managing diabetes for a while, this video is packed with valuable information that can help you thrive. Let's get started. First up, we've got blueberries. Those little blue dynamos are bursting with flavor and they're incredibly good for you, especially if you have diabetes. What makes blueberries so special? Well, for starters, they're packed with antioxidants, those powerful compounds that protect your cells from damage. But here's the kicker. Blueberries are also a great source of fiber. And fiber, my friends, is like the magic ingredient for blood sugar control. It slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing those dreaded sugar spikes. So how can you enjoy these little gems? Add them to your morning oatmeal, sprinkle them on your yogurt, or just grab a handful for a quick and healthy snack. Next on our list is a leafy green that's practically synonymous with health spinach. Popeye was onto something with this one. Spinach is low in carbohydrates, which is exactly what we want when we're watching our blood sugar levels. But don't let that fool you. Spinach is loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. We're talking vitamin A for healthy vision, vitamin C for a strong immune system, and even magnesium, which plays a role in regulating blood sugar. So, how do you get more spinach in your life? It's easy. Toss it into your salads, saute it with some garlic for a delicious side dish, or blend it into a smoothie. Now let's talk about chia seeds. These little seeds are nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart and can even help reduce insulin resistance. And just like blueberries, chia seeds are high in fiber, which, as we know, is key for managing blood sugar levels. They also have this amazing ability to absorb liquid and form a gel, which can help you feel fuller for longer. Sprinkle them on your salads, add them to your smoothies, or make a delicious chia seed pudding. The possibilities are endless. Let's move on to quinoa, a complete protein source that's also a fantastic choice for people with diabetes. Quinoa has a low glycemic index, meaning it doesn't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. It's also a good source of both fiber and protein, a powerful combination that helps regulate blood sugar and keeps you feeling satisfied. Use quinoa as a base for your salads, as a substitute for rice in stir-fries, or even as a breakfast porridge. Last but not least, we have Greek yogurt, a creamy, delicious, and surprisingly diabetic-friendly food. Greek yogurt is higher in protein than regular yogurt, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling full. It's also a good source of probiotics, those beneficial bacteria that support gut health. And a healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being, especially when you have diabetes. Enjoy Greek yogurt plain, top it with berries and a drizzle of honey, or use it as a base for smoothies and dips. That's it for our top 5 superfoods for diabetics. Remember, managing diabetes is a journey, and it's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that support your overall health. These superfoods are here to make that journey a little bit easier and a whole lot tastier. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more health tips and tricks. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Stay healthy, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.